Hi everybody, welcome to this new video for the Gemini Nerd channel, and in this video I want to show you how you can use some tools from Google, namely Nano Banana and veo3, to pimp a logo that you have created for your own startup or for your own organization, because I think today that's really easy with the Google tools. So let me show you how it works. Yes, so here I'm in my Gemini account, and I actually have a Pro account. Now for the first step, you would actually not need a Pro account. You could also go to Google AI Studio, and there you can use Nano Banana for free at the moment. But I'm now in my Pro account where I can also use it. So what did I do? This is actually my initial logo that I actually created some weeks ago with ChatGPT. So this is for a startup that I'm building at the moment called Triad Spark. And this is already quite a nice logo, but now I want to really pimp it to another level. So what is the prompt that I have written? So I'm saying, look, can you make this logo more professional and 3D-like so that it feels like being created by a professional web designer? And I have enabled here the Nano Banana image generator. And so let me show you now what it generated for me. And so here you can see actually the result. And I think we can all agree that this looks even much more flashy. There's much more depth, much more variation. So I think with this very simple prompt, we already have a much better logo. But now let's do one more step and try to make it even more dynamic. And for that, I need to go to the veo3, for which you need a Gemini Pro account. So this you will not be able to do in the free version. You need a Pro account. But so let me show you what I try to do. Okay, so I opened up a new chat, and now I wrote a prompt: can you create a dynamic video where the attached logo gradually appears and the word Triad Spark appears at the end? And I attached here the new logo that I created with Nano Banana, and then we can take a look at the video that it created for me. Yeah, and actually this looks nice, but it's not kind of the logo that I had. So in one way or another, actually with veo3, uploading images and then using them seems to be difficult. So there I had to find a turnaround. So let me briefly show you what I did to avoid this problem. Okay, so what I actually did was I opened a new chat. I added my new logo as an attachment, and then I asked it to create a description for creating a video where the attached logo should gradually emerge. And then it actually created a detailed description. Now this description was actually a bit too long because veo3 clips tend to be like 5 seconds. Here it created something for 15 seconds. So then I did a follow-up prompt and saying, make sure that the clip is only 5 seconds and that you clearly describe the logo. And so then it gave me a description, and then I copy pasted this description and went to a new chat, and then I enabled veo3, and then we can take a look what is happening. Yes, so now I'm in a new chat, and here I now copy pasted the output that the prior prompt has created for me. So this is this description of a video based on the information that I provided. So now I have this 5-second description. So now let's take a look at the video that was created here. And I hope you agree with me that this is now already a very nice, flashy, dynamic video of my logo, which I can really use now, for instance, on my landing page or in my presentations. So I think here you can see how smartly using Nano Banana and veo3 in Gemini can really allow you to start pimping up your logo to really a higher, more professional level. So I hope this can be relevant for you. Thanks for your attention. Bye.